Okay, I finally got a mourning dove. Took me a while, took me like 4 shots, and finally got it. Pretty happy actually. So I'm gonna cook this up for a meal, and then, yeah, just play by ear I guess. Okay, so I got my water in the pot, and I'm gonna light the fire, and then I'm gonna put, once the water starts boiling, I don't think you can see that actually. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna put my mourning dove and boil it in the water with the gizzard inside of it and some chunks of fat that I got off the over parts as well. So I got my water in the pot, and I'm gonna start my fire to boil the water, and then I'm gonna add my mourning dove. So hold on. I'll try to start getting their matches. Hold on. Okay, so the water is starting to get warm now, and I'm gonna add the mourning dove into the hot water. Okay, the water is boiling really well now, and my mourning dove is cooking, so it's actually perfect timing because it's about 11:30, and that's when I have lunch usually. And I had breakfast this morning, so I'm really hungry. And since the last video I took there, the fire is still going well. It's actually really efficient. I actually forgot to tell you guys, but I brought the salt with me, which you already knew, and I'll put that on the mourning dove for a little bit extra flavor, I guess. Just a pinch. And mix it around with a machete. Alright. So the mourning dove is done cooking now, and I'm gonna go and try a piece, see how it tastes. Come here. Oh, I cut it into pieces while I was waiting for it. Tastes different. It tastes like chicken almost, but way gamier. I actually quite like it. I chose to boil it so that there could be a broth left over after, and then I could drink that for extra nutrients. So, yeah, it's pretty good. It's been about an hour since I cooked my mourning dove, and right now I have a sort of a broth. Hold on. So I'm gonna use this has extra nutrients, and then drink it every once in a while. So I'm gonna give this a try actually now. Got my something. It's like good. It's greasy though.